What's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Credit Plug channel, where we talk about how to build credit, how to establish relationships with banks and financial institutions, and most importantly, how to get you access to high limit credit funding. In today's video, we're going to be reviewing Electro Finance. So Electro Finance offers a rent-to-own lease purchase program where you could purchase electronics such as computers, laptops, tablets, phones, cameras, and screen TVs, as well as other electronic accessories. Now, they're very similar to another company we reviewed several weeks ago called Buy on Trust. Identical business models. There's no credit check, so it doesn't report to the credit bureau, so it's not going to help you build credit. It's kind of like a hidden trade line, but I wanted to share this information anyways. And they also fulfill their products through Best Buy. One of the differences between Buy on Trust and Electro Finance, so Buy on Trust goes through a lease program called Akima, which is one of the largest in the country. They work with a lot of jewelry stores, electronic stores, furniture stores. Electro Finance also uses Akima, but they have two other back-end programs, one called Tempo, another one called Progressive Leasing. So even if you do have an account with Buy on Trust, that doesn't exclude you from having an account with Electro Finance. So I just wanted to put that out there. So the last time we put out the video on Buy on Trust, there were a couple people who were upset. They felt like the information wasn't valuable for them. I wanted to share this information anyways because it's just an alternative financing solution, especially for those who may not have credit, may not have the funds to be able to purchase electronics. Now, when it comes to electronics, this is just my opinion. Electronics have a very high ROI. Things like laptops, cameras, phones, you can create with that. You can create different income streams with that, and you could just use it to be much more productive and much more efficient. In today's day and age, electronics are very essential just in the way of life, this digital age that we live in right now. So if you do have to go through some of these alternative financing solutions just to get some of these essential electronic gadgets, I think it's well worth the cost. But anyways, let's jump over to their website and I'll walk you through the process.
All right, so here we are on electrofinance.com. So you can shop for brand new electronics with same-day pickups on most items. Bad credit or no credit, it doesn't matter because they're not even checking your credit. And for the most part, it's available nationwide, excluding Minnesota, New Jersey, Wisconsin, and Wyoming. Now, in terms of what they offer, basically anything that you can imagine in terms of electronics. They have desktop computers, laptops, iPads, tablets, gaming computers, computer monitors, audio and visual, games and toys, and also home goods, including appliances, refrigerators. So they offer a lot of different products. Electro Finance is proud to offer no credit leasing and financing options on all electronics for as little as $50. You can start your lease today and take home what you need. Now, does applying affect my credit? So applying is fast, easy, online, and does not affect your credit or credit score. Our lenders ask for information like your social security number, driver's license, and other identification and other information, then compared to consumer databases and third-party sources. It's not a traditional credit bureau or credit check to determine credit worthiness and verify your information. So just to confirm, they're not hard pulling you, but they are verifying your identity through other third-party sources. All right, so how it works, you can apply now for an instant decision. No credit is needed. You just add the items to your cart, and if you are approved, then you can get your payment set up that match your payday. The qualifications, you're going to need to be at least 18 years of age, a valid social security number, an active checking account, and a credit or debit card for initial payment. Once you check out, then you can go and pick up your items from your local Best Buy or whichever one is closest to you, and it's that simple.
So to recap, Electro Finance offers a rent-to-own lease purchase program where you can get electronics fulfilled through Best Buy, things like computers, laptops, iPads, cameras, etc. Now, one of the great things is that there's absolutely no credit check. The downside is that it doesn't report to your credit, so this isn't going to help you build credit. However, you could look at it as a hidden trade line. So sometimes you may not want certain things reporting on your credit if it's going to increase your utilization. So that's one of the benefits I would say, but it is a trade-off. Now, is this something that I would recommend to everyone? Not necessarily. If you already have credit cards, then use your credit cards to purchase items. Now, if you don't have access to credit or you have really bad credit and you can't get approved for like a Best Buy credit card or any other type of credit card, this may be an option for you. So I'm not telling everyone to go run and apply for this. If it fits your situation, then this is something for you to consider. Anyone interested in applying, there's a link in the description. Until next time, y'all take it easy and we'll talk to you soon. Peace.